Johannesburg Water, unplanned maintenance hits this area for 24 hours. Johannesburg Water announced another unplanned maintenance notice that is expected to affect parts of Protea Glen for the next 24 hours. According to the entity, Protea Glen Extension 12 to 40 will be without water from today, January 24th at 8 o'clock until the next day, Thursday, January 25th. The reason for the interruption is due to the repairing of a 600mm steel water main that supplies Protea Glen Extension 12 to 40. The burst water main is in Protea Glen Extension 12 Mongolia Street, behind Big Sky Hardware. Alternative water supply by means of tankers will only be dispatched if the outage lasts longer than 24 hours. Meanwhile, Rand Water conducted planned maintenance on water meters in Soweto this past Sunday, January 21st at 6 o'clock until Monday, January 22nd at 6 o'clock. Although the work was completed, the system was expected to gradually recover from Monday. Areas affected include Deep Kloof, All Zones, Power Park, Orlando Ikaya, Old Power Station, and Elias Matsweledi. Furthermore, the ongoing high demand on Rand Water's Meredale Reservoir is impacting several Soweto reservoirs and towers, which are still experiencing low water levels, particularly the Doornkap and Chiawilo. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.